walk for a moment and reset. Your left leg is back in her flanks. It needs to be down at the girth to help her get out. Yeah, so you're just leaning forward and your leg is going back again. Unpinch your knee and get yourself sorted there on the left side. Inside bend. So that was loss of balance, right? Rebalance, reshape, and then go again. Think about where your leg is again. It's back in flanks. So sit deep. Think about your feet being out in front of you. Yeah, sit deeper. Weight into the right heel, outside heel, bender to the inside. Right, good for you. Bender to the inside. Yes. Down into trot. Balanced, organized, change rein, canter the other way. Careful of that crossing over, falling in. Body back, Shelly, legs down. Remember that tuck from the beginning when you were walking. Yes. Good for you.